part one of tornado. And also, guys, the teenager is mostly scared of tornadoes. So let's get started. Oh my god, I'm so scared to tell Alexa that there's gonna be a tornado. Okay. Alexa. Alexa! What, Mom? I'm sorry, but there's gonna be a tornado today. What? Mom, you know I'm scared of tornadoes. I know, but it's gonna happen today. But why? Don't ask me, ask the weather. Weathers don't speak, Mom. Okay, who cares? So, I'm sorry that there's gonna be a thunder. Mom, what? I don't want it to be. Well, it's not my fault, it's the weather's fault. Well, I'm gonna go wake up your sister. Can I stay with my pajamas today? No, you gotta change. Ugh. I'm so scared. I need to wake up Piggy. Hi, Piggy. Okay, Piggy, I'm gonna just put you right here. You know what? I'm not gonna put you there. I don't want you to get thunderstorm. I'm gonna leave you right here. I'm gonna just wear something crazy. Let me see this one. No. This is basically so boring. I need more clothes. I'll just wear this one for now. No. Just wear this one. It's kind of cute. I'm gonna call my best friend because I think so she's also scared of tornadoes. I was about to call you. Same. Did you hear about the shooting? Yeah, my mom just told me and I'm so scared. Same, girl. Like, I'm so scared. Wait, do you want to come over to my house? Yeah, I would love to come over to your house. Let me just go ask my mom right now. Okay, I'm gonna go ask my mom. Bye. Bye, girl. Bye. Love you. Love you too. Okay, now I'm gonna ask my mom. Well, she's probably... Let me just play with Piggy first. I hope the kids clean up their rooms. Thank God they did. You guys! Mom! What? Why are you always scaring us like that? Yeah, Mom. It actually does scare us. Well, you guys, there's gonna be a tornado, so I want you guys to wear something comfy. I don't want to wear something comfy. Well, you're gonna have to. I don't want to. I want to wear a dress. No, I said you had to wear something comfy. I don't want to. Say it one more time or you're going to time out. I don't. Sissy, don't say it. 1, 2. I want to play. I want to put my dress. All right, time out now. I don't want to go to timeout. Stupid. Excuse me, young lady? I know you're not speaking that language to your siblings or me. Well, I'm speaking to both of you. Excuse me, young lady? Yeah? You are not meant to be talking like that. You know that, right? Who cares? Yeah, okay. Well, she's gonna be grounded for 30 days. Alright, guys. Oh, wait. You were already wearing your comfy outfit. Yeah, Mom. We've been wearing a comfy outfit. Okay, let's see if I can find anything like... You guys should match. Okay. Can one of you guys carry my phone? Okay, I'm gonna go wake up your little brother. Wah! 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 Oh, it's okay. It's okay. Okay, alright. Let's just put this there. Boom. Okay, he went back to sleep. Babe, what? What time is gonna be this, like, the tornado? It says at 1 o'clock. Okay, I gotta go to the supermarket. Alright. Okay, what should I wear? I'll just wear this over there. Babe, your face mask. Oh my god, I forgot to take that out. You guys, you could go downstairs and make sure that your sister's in timeout. Sis is not in timeout. She has her stuffed animals, Mom. Oh my gosh. You need to go timeout because you're not acting respectfully to your sisters and brothers. I don't want to, Mama. What did I told you? To stop acting those language. And what are you learning those? Internet? Well, don't believe in internet. Why? Because they could be hackers or something. How is that the hacker? Okay, just stop arguing with me and go to timeout. I don't want to go to timeout. You know what? I'm dragging you over there. Mom, stop! Nope, I'm not stopping. Until you learn your lesson, young lady. I want you to sit there. Why? Don't ask me why or you're going to get in big trouble. I know you. And I'm watching you. You guys, can you watch your sister? Sure, Mom. Sure. Thanks. These kids never learn anything. And guys, do not go outside, alright? Okay. Bring an umbrella just in case. Oh my god, it's really raining hard. And guys, please don't mind about the rain. Alright, we're at the supermarket. I hope there's not a lot of people over here. Oh my god, you're the first person to come over here, and luckily everything is set up. Oh my god, thank you so much. No problem. Bruh, who took this? Oh my god, I bet it was her. Oh my god, it's Jessica. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh, hey. Hey, Jessica. Oh, hey.
Smells so hot in here.
How's your day, Emily? Oh, it has been good. I'm just, like, stopping to get a new pet. Oh, nice. What are you doing here? Oh, I'm just shopping for the tornado. So what kind of pet you're getting?
Smells much better.
Oh, I'm just getting a dog. I thought you were allergic to dogs. Oh, not anymore. Okay. Nice seeing you there. You too. That was really embarrassing. She acts kind of weird. Well, I'm gonna grab my shopping bag. Okay. And guys, please don't mind my background. Okay, we already have chocolate milk. Do you need chicken and some fish and shrimp? I do need oranges. We're almost running out. Pineapples. Potatoes, definitely. Some bread. You know what? I don't need hot dog breads. And I'll get some pasta. I would like to get these. Okay. Just one pasta. Alright. Spring. Beep. 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 You know what? I would like to return this pineapple. Okay. Turn. Okay. your total would be $20.99. Oh my gosh. Just give me 1 second. Brown. Okay, there you go. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. You too. You know what? Let me go check something over there. Oh my gosh, she's coming. Hi. Come on. What would you like? Would you like a dog? Whatever. You see that lady that has glasses? Those stuff that she has on her back? Just pretend I'm getting a dog. Okay. And why? Don't ask questions. Yeah, I would like to get this dog. It's so cute. Wipes it off on her shirt. Oh, that's so cute. Excuse me? Yes? Would you like to purchase a dog? No thank you. What about a cat or a hamster or a spider? Sorry, I don't really have that type of money right now. No worries. That was weird. Oh wait, they have kitchen stuff. Great. Who's the one that... Oh, I also work here. Oh, just looking over here. Can I get that machine? This one? Yes. Okay, your total would be 99 cents. Oh. Okay. Guys, I'm gonna just get one of these monies. Here you go. Thank you. Is your bag full? Yeah. Don't worry, just put on your other one. Okay, thanks. No problem. I actually do like that face, but not much. I'm gonna buy something for the kids. Hello, welcome to Toy, or this is daycare and toy. Oh, at what time you guys close? Oh, we close at 12 o'clock since there's gonna be a tornado. We don't want kids to be outside right now. Oh, okay. I would like to buy something. Yes, what would you like? Can I get those 2 toys up there? These 2? Yes, please. Anything else? And those dolls over there. Okay. Your total would be $2.99. Oh, damn. Okay. Would you like a bag? No, thank you. Okay. Okay, there you go. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. And stay safe. You too. Okay, I'm home. You guys can't make me what I do. And you guys are not responsible. Cece, you have to listen to us. Yeah. You can't make me. Okay, I just got home. Put the ingredient. Okay. Isabella! What are you doing? I told Cece to go to time out. Mommy, I'm in time out right now. Isabella, you are not in time out. Thank you guys for being responsible. No problem. Isabella, go up to your room and I need to speak with you. Okay, Mom. Oh my God, Isabella's giving me all my nerves. You guys, I bought you new toys. New toys? Now we see the new toys. Okay, guys. Here's your toys. I mean, these were the only ones I have. Are these Wolverines? Let's go play outside. No playing outside. You guys have to stay inside. But can we play in our rooms?
Ouch!
Yeah, you can. You guys have toys? Yeah, Mommy bought these for us. I wish I had toys. Guys, can I play with your toys? No, these are new and you're gonna break them like you did last time. Please, guys, I'm really bored. Well, you have to go to time out. Now go to time out. You guys are too mean. Well, it's not our fault that we got you in big trouble. This is so fun. I feel bad for Isabella, but she needs to learn her lesson. Well, luckily I bought this. Okay, I just put these to the side. Okay, let me fill the fridge up. Okay, more chicken, more fish. Tomatoes. Let's just put these up here. Okay. Pasta could go up there. Okay. I guess that's all. I don't really need the bread. It's really bad. I'm gonna go get this to Isabella. Just gonna take these. Got my phone. Put the keys back. Just leave the water bottle there. We go turn off the TV on. Wait, are the dogs are outside? Let me check. What? You guys, no! Oh my god, guys, don't go outside. Oh, now I have to take you guys a bath. You guys stink. Oh, why you guys have to go outside? Let me just go tell something to Alexa. Alexa, honey. Mom, yes, sweetie. Can please say yes. Mom, yes, again. Can Obani come to our house? Okay, sure. But can you wash the dogs, please? Seriously? Yes, I'm serious. Okay, fine. Thanks, sweetie. Come on. Isabella. Yes, Mommy. I'm sorry, but what you did. I know, I'm sorry, dear. But I bought you a gift, okay? Just don't do that ever again, alright? Okay. No! These are the ones that I've been wanting! I know. Thank you, Mom. I love you. I love you too. They clean up the mess though. Sure. Eek! You guys, mommy, give me new toys. Who cares? I love these other things. Oh my god. What? What? Oh my god. Okay. Where's this? Let me smell your bottom. Oh my god. Oh my god. You actually do stink. So let me just smudge it in. Okay. I need to buy a new pack. I'm just going to throw these out. Okay. Put you back to bed. Alright. You still haven't changed? What? I'm just watching the news. What kind of change there? Let me watch. Okay. Guys, play gentle. You need any help? Yeah, Dad. They're going crazy. Can you help me? Sure. Thanks, Dad. No problem. Alright, we're gonna use these towels. Start shaking. You guys, stop. Come on. Let's just keep them upstairs for now so they don't be like downstairs and get all wet again. Where's Mom? She's in her room. She's watching television. Oh. Oh shit. Okay. Just put back on here. I have some bad news. Hey, Alexa. What? Alright, your friends are not able to come. Why? It's getting bad outside. I know you want to go really badly, and I know you want to sleep over, but the weather's really badly. Please, Mom, I really want to. I'm sorry, the weather's going bad, and I don't want them to die or get a car crash or anything. And it's literally blurry. Alright, Mom. Thank you, sweetie. Well, guys, this is the end of the roleplay, and I hope you guys liked it. So please give me a thumbs up.